We are moving into a new era of economy. Well, as we all know, 2025 was all about the AI chatbots, and in 2026, the company called Figure AI just revealed Figure 03, the first robot designed to work alongside humans in the real world. This isn't just a prototype, it's actually a finished product ready for the mass market. Well, the brain of the robot is called Helix. It uses advanced AI to help the robot learn by watching humans. This is something crazy. It can now solve problems on its own without needing a person to tell it every single move. Just imagine. And by the way, if you are new and if you want to stay ahead of this latest in tech, hit that subscribe button to join our community of founders as well as the leaders and new people who are keen to learn about the tech and this AI revolution. And the vision system is now much more better. It sees twice as fast as much wider view. And this allows the robot to move quickly and safely, even in busy places like an office or a kitchen. And as you can see, these hands are the most advanced ever built. They have a special sensors that can even feel objects as light as a paperclip, and this means the robot can handle delicate things like glass or laundry without even breaking them. This is the biggest news for the business. Figure has cut the cost to build this robot by 90%. You exactly heard it right. They have legit cost cutting off 90% in their original price. Just imagine this. Like, they are using new factory methods to make thousands of robots at a price that actually makes sense for most of the companies and homes. There are no more cables. The robot has wirelessly charging built into its feet. So, what it basically means? So, it simply walks onto a mat to power up on its own. Like, this is literally mind blowing, and it completely hands off and ready to work 24 into 7. Well, the figure plans to have this in homes by 2026, and this is the start of massive shift in the how we live and work. So tell me in the comment section, like, are we humans really ready for this robotic revolution? Let me know your thoughts in the comment, and stay subscribed for more deep dives into the future of tech.